Long, long ago, in the time of the Prophet Muhammad, there was a powerful king named Abraha. He had a massive army with many soldiers and horses, but his most prized possession was a huge, magnificent elephant, the biggest and strongest animal anyone had ever seen. Abraha was very proud and wanted to show off his power. He decided to march his entire army, including the great elephant, toward the holy city of Mecca. He wanted to destroy the sacred Kaaba, the most important place of worship for the people there. The people of Mecca were terrified when they heard about this. They didn't have a strong army to fight back, but they trusted in Allah, the Almighty God. They prayed and asked Allah for help and protection. As Abraha's army got closer and closer to Mecca, with the giant elephant leading the way, something amazing happened. Allah sent thousands and thousands of birds, small birds that nobody had ever seen before. These birds carried tiny stones in their beaks and claws. The birds flew down and dropped the stones on Abraha's army. The stones were small but very hard, like baked clay. They hit the soldiers and the elephant. The army became confused and scared. They started running away in all directions, trying to escape from the birds. The great elephant that Abraha was so proud of also ran away. Frightened by the stones falling from the sky, the mighty army that came to destroy Mecca was defeated not by soldiers or weapons, but by tiny birds sent by Allah. The people of Mecca were saved. Allah had protected them and their sacred Kaaba. This amazing story teaches us that no matter how powerful someone seems, Allah is always more powerful. When we trust in Allah and do what is right, He will always protect us. And that's the incredible true story of the Elephant Army, a lesson that has been remembered for over 1,400 years.